How to get your Roblox user ID in mobile. So if you want to get your Roblox user ID, then what you have to do is you have to open up a browser on your mobile. So I'll be here with Chrome browser. And after opening your browser, you will have a search bar. You can simply tap on the search bar and then search for roblox.com. And after searching, here you will have two options on the bottom of your screen: continue in app and continue in browser. So choose continue in browser. Now you have to log into your account. So I have already logged in, and then now you can go to your profile, which is on the upper right side. Simply tap on your profile, and after opening your profile, now you can see on the search bar, you can simply tap on the search bar, and then here on the bottom of the search bar you will have a pencil shaped icon on the right side. Simply tap on the pencil shaped icon, and now you will get the user ID. So you will have your user ID after this users until your profile. So the number that you see on the search bar is your user ID. So that's it. That's how you find your user ID of your Roblox account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.